Oh, I didn't let you go. Mr. Movement?
Hey, good morning, Judge.
Morning, are you ready?
I am ready, yes.
Okay.
Marcelli Ford, not in.
Are you ready on Taylor, Johnny Taylor, Mr. Movement?
I'm sorry, what was that, Judge?
Are you ready on Johnny Taylor?
Yes, yes, I am.
Okay, so we'll have to get next door. See if they want. I need Ms. Hunt to start her camera, please. Officer, we'll see if somebody's next door. Anybody next door, we're trying to call. All right, this is case number 194567801, People versus Johnny Taylor. Defendant is charged with malicious destruction of property, and today is the day set for pretrial conference appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christina Ritter on behalf of the people, P number 83505. I have the complainant witness present via Zoom this morning. Ms. Hunt, unmute yourself and state your name for the court.
Ayana Hunt.
On previews, I told her.
Okay, come. Yes, please.
May it please the court, Abdullah Mughni here on behalf of Johnny Taylor, who appears today via Zoom. Johnny, could you please unmute your microphone and say your full name for the record?
Johnny Taylor.
Yeah, okay.
All right, I'm told by, or Ms. Ritter has indicated that this is a transfer to next door. Ms. Ritter, what's the situation?
Yes, Your Honor. So I had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Hunt, and she's indicated that her and the defendant were in a prior dating relationship.
All right, what did they say next door?
Yes.
Okay, so, to Mr. Taylor first. Mr. Taylor, unmute and state your name again, I'm sorry.
Johnny Taylor.
All right, Mr. Taylor, how did you log into the Zoom this morning? And I mean, did you use my name or did you, use the Zoom ID number?
The ID number on the website.
Or the ID number on the website? Okay, that's two different things. Okay. Well, okay. So you went on the website and then you clicked on my name on the website, or you?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so I'm transferring your case to Judge Garrett, due to the prior relationship with, you and Ms. Hunt. And you can go back on the website and you can do the same thing, except click on the name of Austin Garrett. There are two Garretts, but you want the male, Austin Garrett. That's courtroom 338. They are expecting you, and so you can go ahead and log in now, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, Ms. Hunt, how did you log in? Did you use the name or the Zoom ID number?
I used the name.
Are you sure? You're looking down on the paper. Do you see some numbers or did you just click on my name?
I clicked your name when I went to the Zoom meeting.
Okay, so then you can do the same thing as well and go back to the website and then click on Judge Austin Garrett,
Okay,
okay?
okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a great day. Stay safe.
You as well.
Okay. I need a register for Beverly. Right, then are we ready on Franklin? Monisha Franklin?
Yes, yes, I am.
Ms. Franklin, do you think it's appropriate to come to court laying down? Ms. Franklin isn't ready, so we're gonna pass this case. We'll pass this and then she won't be ready. She won't be laying down maybe next time. All right, I'm ready on Savage. Tell Ms. Stevenson and her client, I need you all to go get the chair back. Ms. Stevenson, come into the courtroom, please. All right, this is case number 2244640. Strike that, I'm sorry, 224460401. The people of the state of Michigan versus Shabazz Jaden Savage. Defendant is charged with one count of assault aggravated in today's the date that pretrial conference appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
May it please the court, Abdullah Mugni here on behalf of Shabazz Savage, who appears today via Zoom. I think we lost them.
Oh, I think so too. All right, let's move on. All right, let's bring in Strong. All right, looks like Mr. Savage is back, and the defendant is charged with one count of assault aggravated today as a day set for pretrial conference. Mr. Move me your appearance again, please.
Abdullah Mugni here on behalf of Shabazz Savage. Shabazz, could you please unmute your microphone and say your full name for the record?
Shabazz Jaden Savage.
Mr. Mugni, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, today we're going to move for dismissal based on the complaining witness's failure to appear.
Ms. Ritter?
Your Honor, I don't see the complaining witness, Mr. Emil Cement, in the waiting room. However, Your Honor, I would ask the court to either adjourn this matter for another pretrial conference or set a final pretrial conference requiring the complaining witness's presence.
Court is going to deny defense counsel's motion for dismissal, grant the people's request for an adjournment. Giving them an opportunity to locate and notify the complaining witness of the obligation to appear before the court. The matter is adjourned to May 23rd at 1:35. I'm sorry, 1:36, excuse me. Complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed unless the people have a valid explanation as to why the complainant could not appear or should not be required to appear. Bond will continue with no contact with the complaining witness. Anything further?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
No, thanks, Judge. Thanks.
All right, sir, we're all set until, May 23rd at 1:30. Have a great day, stay safe. I need Mr. Strong to start your camera, please. Did I give you my document in that final? No, never mind.
Hello, I'm here.
Mr. Strong, start your camera, sir.
I don't know what's going on with
This
this
is case
thing.
number 136451201, the People versus Brandon Verdell Strong. Defendant is charged with operating while intoxicated, operating with a high BAC, and driving while license suspended, revoked, denied. Today is the day set for a pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
May it please the court, Abdullah Mugni here on behalf of Brandon Strong, who appears today via Zoom. Brandon, could you please say your full name for the record?
Brandon Strong.
How are we proceeding?
Today we're going to request all discovery on the matter and ask that it be set for a final pretrial.
Court is going to continue a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Strong. Set the matter for final pretrial conference. July 1st. At 9 o'clock, discovery should be submitted by June 1st. Bond will continue with no drinking, no driving. Additionally, Mr. Strong, Mr. Strong must submit to urinalysis twice a month. Anything further?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
No, thanks, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Strong, probation is gonna contact you so that you can start submitting to your analysis. Mr. Reeves, come to the table. Anything further?
No, thank you.
No, thanks, Your Honor.
We're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe.
I'll get out of
Can you call? Do you have Townsend file? Mhm.
Yes.
Morning, Mr. James.
Good morning, Judge.
Are you still in motion?
No, Your Honor.
All right. This is case number 154483201, the People versus Beverly Town. Ms. Townsend, can you come into screen? You want to be seated? I told you to stand up.
No, you did. You
Oh.
just told him to come to the table. So
This is case number 154483201, the People versus Beverly Townsend. The defendant is charged with false unemployment, and today is a date set by the magistrate for review. Appearance, please, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. If it may please this most honorable court, Chester Jeanette, PA 3295, representing Ms. Beverly Townsend, who's present and consents to this hearing via Zoom. Ms. Townsend, will you please unmute your device and state your name for the record?
Please unmute your device, ma'am.
Okay, Beverly Townsend.
What? Today is they set for a review set by the magistrate's court has had an opportunity to review the file. Ms. Townsend has been CAFIA since 2016, at which time the probation department submitted an order to Judge Robbins indicating that Ms. Townsend had failed to complete any of the terms and conditions of her probation. Mr. James?
Yes, I was recently retained by Ms. Townsend. I think she misunderstood the terms when she made an agreement with unemployment to pay back the amount that was owed back to the unemployment department. Then I think a couple of years passed by during the pandemic and she got put. I'm sorry, and she got my apologies, yes, and she got pulled over on a traffic stop and found out she had a warrant out of 30th District Court for arrest. Then she retained me to go research and find out what she had going on. And once we found out she had a warrant for this outstanding matter, I walked her in and we went before the magistrate. And we're before you today, Judge. I tried to reach out to the city attorney, but I couldn't find which one because on the register of actions, it doesn't even pull up the case.
Well, I don't know why it doesn't pull up the case for you, because it does definitely pull up the case for us. And it wouldn't be a city attorney. It would be the Attorney General's office. Then you said your client misunderstood, and what I'm looking at in the file is her signature on her probation order. That's real clear, and that she was on probation for a year, that she had to pay she has to pay $8,595 to the MESC, that was the name of it at the time, and then she also was ordered to pay $450. This order is light because it's real old. And she was supposed to have she was supposed to pay her court costs by August 28th, 2000. Ma'am, put your water down. We in court like we're literally doing your case. I'm like literally on your case. Okay, so let's use our imagination. We're in court. We're at the podium. There's a podium in front of me. That's where you're standing with your lawyer. So let's do that. Okay. And so she didn't do any of that. So did she pay unemployment directly? Because you can't be confused.
Yes, Your Honor. That's what happened. She called unemployment and worked out a payment plan with unemployment and started paying unemployment directly. Then when she fell behind on some of those payments during the pandemic, they took money from her taxes and I think through more so of a garnishment phase. I mean, a garnishment status. And now when we reach out to unemployment to find out how much of the debt is truly owed or what's her balance of the debt, they said it was on a freeze since 2022. So
Okay, well, what about the $450 she was supposed to pay to the court that she didn't pay?
I have no direct answer for that, Your Honor, but I'm sure Ms. Townsend will have no problem paying the court what she owes them.
Oh, Mr. Flanagan, actually, this says 0. Can you, when did she make these payments? Cause this is for. When did she
Well,
make
the
these?
balance is $452, you said, Your Honor?
No, hold on, Mr. Flanagan is looking it up, because now that I look at the register, it says the balance is 0.
Yes.
28, 2015.
Okay. For the $450? Okay. All right, so maybe what happened is that she failed to appear for her final review. So it does look like in terms of the $450, she has a 0 balance. And then, the judge's order at the time was for her to pay directly to the unemployment, to the $8,595. So at this time, the court is gonna close the matter out. Anything further?
Nothing further, Your Honor. We appreciate you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a great day. Stay
Have a
safe.
wonderful day to you and your staff. You can leave, Ms. Townsend.
All right, I'm ready on. Let's try Ms. Franklin again and see if she's properly ready for court. All right, this is case number 244436501, the people versus Monisha Franklin. The defendant is charged with Monisha Nasha is the middle name, Franklin. Somebody help me. Somebody tell me what's going on.
We were assigned here for observation with kids from Southeastern High School.
Who assigned you?
I just got the list. This is Lost Career Day.
Okay, well, maybe, I mean, okay, this is, administration, yeah, did I do that? Okay, all right, that's fine. And the defendant is charged with assault or assault battery. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
May it please the court, Abdullah Mugni here on behalf of Monisha Franklin, who appears today via Zoom. Monisha, could you please say your full name for the record?
Hello, my name is Monisha Nashay Franklin.
All right, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, today we're going to move for a dismissal based on the complaining witness's failure to appear.
Ms. Ritter?
Your Honor, I don't see the complaint witness, Mr. Terry Turner, in the waiting room. However, Your Honor, it is scheduled as a first-time pre-trial conference, respectfully asking the court to adjourn the pre-trial conference or set a final pre-trial conference requiring the complainant witness to be present.
Court is going to deny defense counsel's motion for dismissal, grant the people's request, and adjourn the pre-trial conference to May 23rd. At 1:36, the complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed unless the people have a valid explanation as to why the complainant could not appear or should not be required to appear. Bond will continue with no contact with the complaining witness. Anything further?
That was May 23rd, Your Honor.
May 23rd, 1:36. That's the date for the day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thanks, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Franklin, you're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe.
Yes, sir, thank you.
I'm ready.
All rise to adjourn.
Y'all didn't have to bring your bags and stuff. Y'all didn't have to bring your bags. You gotta go back in that room. Juror number 5, please remain, juror number 6, please remain standing. All right, you all may be seated. Okay, the court received an envelope, which y'all didn't help me today. Where's the remote? Where's the remote? Where's the remote? Oh. Oh, y'all didn't help me today. Y'all didn't help me today. Y'all didn't help me today. Okay. I do apologize. Oh. I do apologize. I'm sorry, but it's not, it's no high profile case or nothing, so nobody's gonna try to contact you. I did receive a note which appears to be the verdict form, because I opened it up and I looked at the caption. Has the jury reached a verdict?
We haven't.
All right, I'm going to return this verdict form to you, and if you would be so kind as to read the verdict form from the point where it says, "We the jury." Yes, thank you, Mr. Reeves. Please stand. Ms. Reeves, why are you standing? No. For the verdict. Okay, she wanted to stand like, okay, she didn't want to feel left out because we were all standing. Go ahead, Mr. Foreman.
We, the jury, in the above captioned case by unanimous decision find the defendant not guilty.
All right, and while you're standing, Mr. Foreman, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes, it is.
All right, you may be seated. Juror number 2, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes, it was.
Juror number 3, no, yes, 3, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 4, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 5, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
And then juror number 7, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Thank you so very much. Please pass me the verdict form and take the jury back into the jury room, and I will be in shortly. Mr. Reeves, the jury has found you not guilty. And so we will, the court adjudicate you not guilty. So please, you can have a seat and wait for the order form. You can take the jury out.
All rise for the jury.
Actually, we didn't expose you. You're supposed to sit. We did that last time? All right, may be seated. Okay, Ms. Stacy, you can get the order. Congratulations, again, Mr. Reeves.
Thank you.
And, you all won't be able to talk to the jury because we're in trial. I mean, we're in court. So I'll go talk to them briefly, but then, we're in court, so you can wait in the hall for your order. Once this man is ready. Also, call the juror number 1 and let her know that she doesn't have to return. Okay, are we ready on, let's let Mr. Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, that was a quick observation.
Yes, just about a few minutes or so.
Oh, where are they from? Where are you all from?
Southeastern.
Oh, okay, well, welcome and goodbye. Thank you. All right, I'm ready on, Ms. Peterson, are you ready on the in-persons? Oh, she in the hall. You see, don't worry, don't get her. She's trying to talk to her client. Oh, you can talk to your client for a minute. I just, your name is on here, and I forgot that you just left out of the door.
I don't mind being able to sit down in this court.
Okay, are they already ready or?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so then I'm ready on Allen. And then. Okay, this is case number 24. 04436801. The people of the state of Michigan versus Hassan Allen. Defendant is charged with breaking and entering without owner's permission. Today is the date set for pretrial conference. Appearance, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Mr. Hassan Allen. Mr. Allen, sir, please, nice and loud, say your first, middle, and last name.
Hassan Jamal Allen.
All right, today is the date set for pretrial conference. How we proceed?
On behalf of Mr. Allen, Your Honor, we would move for dismissal for the complainant's failure to appear.
Ms. Ritter.
Your Honor, I don't see the complaint with Ms. Chanel Scott in the waiting room. However, Your Honor, according to the investigative report, it looks like Ms. Scott and Mr. Allen were in prior dating relationships. So I think we should
Call next door, ask them, if they want Mr. Allen to come next door, or if they want me to just give an adjourned pretrial. All right, Mr. Allen, they'll take you next door and Judge Garrett will decide how he wants to proceed. Okay, we're gonna go on a brief break and, oh no, let me do the other in person and then I'm gonna go talk to the jury right quick, give them their voucher.
Is the bond argument to Judge Garrett?
Yes.
Okay,
So you can go next door to Judge Garrett.
thank you.
I'm ready on forward. Case number 226086801, People versus Marlicia Renee Ford. Defendant is charged with assault or assault battery, and today is the date set for final pretrial conference. I shouldn't have that though, for final pretrial. I need somebody to find appearances with.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Ms. Marlisha Ford. Ms. Ford, ma'am, please say your first, middle, and last name.
Marlisha Renee Ford.
How are we proceeding?
On behalf of Ms. Ford, Your Honor, we continue to plea of not guilty and ask this matter be set for jury trial.
Court is going to continue a not guilty, please set the matter for jury trial. Ms. Ritter, when was the last time?
Your Honor, my notes indicate the complainant witness was present at a pretrial conference on December 15th, 2023.
Court is going to set a jury trial for I'm gonna set it on October the 29th. And then I think I put another one on here. Tiff, can you go to that date and tell me? I have the 3 defendant cases, but I think I put another one there. Just a brief second. Okay, I'm gonna set this for October 29th. Of course, that's at 10:30. Court's gonna set a final pretrial conference for September the 30th at 9:10. But I want the people to confirm their witness.
Understood.
We'll continue with no contact with the planning witness. Anything further?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing on behalf of Ms. Ford. Thank you, Your
All right, Ms. Ford, you're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe.
You too, thank you.
Oh, I didn't even ask you. I didn't even know it was a.
I just looked it up. That explains the file downstairs.
Okay, oh, so one of them got a gun?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. Yeah. Ms. Arnold, please accept the invitation to join breakout room number 12.